In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide online on Instagram. For some reason, you don't want to be seen active on Instagram and you want to hide your online status. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to tap these three ellipses on the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear with a bunch of menus. Continue to tap on settings and privacy. This will land you on an interface like this. Up and above, you see a search box. Continue to tap on it and then type activity. Make sure to pick the one with this best mark, show activity status. Then you land on an interface like this where you have the option to toggle off show activity status. Proceed to toggle it off, and that's it. You have successfully hide online on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.